Hey guys, been in the Trader Chili's. I'm gonna do a Grizzly energy today, orange mango, 160 milligrams caffeine a can, a lot like 540 milligrams of sodium, 23% daily values. I don't know why it has so much sodium. Maybe this is like a post. I really don't even know. I thought that was weird. Carbonated, filtered water, citric acid. Not a lot of stuff in here. It's definitely not like a caffeine, sucralose, niacin. Like it's not a nootropical energy drink. It's just basically just caffeine. I mean, which is definitely a bummer. I bought it at the. Forgot to take my LP. I bought it at the GNC. Because online it said that like it's like hazy. Tastes really good. Wow. Wow, does that have real juice in it? I'm sure it doesn't, but wow. This tastes amazing. Holy crap. I'm not even like a really big orange mango person, but like it tastes like juice, like carbonated juicy water. Zero sugar, so it's obviously not real juice. Wow, it tastes really good though. B plus. Might even be in the A category if I like was more into this flavor, but I'm not like super into juice flavor, I guess. Like I like more science flavor. Kind of sour too. B plus though, I mean tastes really good. Too salty though, I don't know why. Maybe I guess for flavor, but yeah, I mean there's just not a lot in here. It's just caffeine, B3, potassium, isotal. There's almost nothing in here besides like some B vitamins and caffeine, which is kind of weird. Like, I mean, it's 2024, like, let's pack some more junk in there, like chemical wise. It's like $1.25. Like, I don't know if I ended up finishing my thought, but basically, I went in there to get like the dollar. They do like dollar deals sometimes, and they were selling C4 for $1, but I guess that store wasn't participating, or he said that like maybe they only do it on weekends. I'm not really sure. I don't think he really knew, but I mean, it tastes great, but 160 milligrams of caffeine in a can. I'd like it to be 200. I like all my drinks to hit 200. And it just doesn't really have anything else. I mean, it doesn't even have taurine, I don't think. It does have taurine, okay. But it's basically just B vitamin, a couple of B vitamins, taurine, and like a lot of salt, and some potassium. Doesn't even list on here how much potassium's in here, but it's like listed on the. It's kind of weird that it's like on the ingredients list, but not the actual like whatever this is. So, I mean, I'll never get this again because it just. I was thinking about this last night. Like, I really wish there was just like a energy drink wiki, like coming from the Linux community. Like, you could always look up like documentation. Like, I would really like that in these energy drinks, because in the store I was like, well, surely there's more. Like, I kind of looked at it really quick. Like, I'd like to have a wiki just to like see like what is the use case of each drink. Like, is this like a post workout heavy salt caffeine drink with like no nootropics? Like, the use case of that is like so small. But for some people that might be like a post workout, thing. I mean, it's like there's all kinds of people. I just wish it was either listed on the can, which I know they would never do because they're trying to like manipulate you all the time, essentially, with advertising. But I just wish there was like a straight up wiki of like, all right, This C4 is like their nootropical line. This is their, this is like, Rain is like a workout drink with a lot of pump or pump chemicals. These are the chemicals in like each energy drink. Like this is what they do. I really wish we had that, because it's tough being in the store, like trying to remember like what all these things are, like what they do, blah blah blah. This one's like really short, so you can tell pretty quickly. It doesn't have much going besides the caffeine, but it's just something I'd really like. I mean, I guess I could theoretically do that, but I don't, I probably won't. But anyway, yeah, this is like a B plus as far as the drink flavor, but probably a C minus as far as what's actually in the can. Not even the caffeine amount is like great. 160 is like okay. Maybe some people might like that, but for me it's kind of a negative. So I'd say on average this is probably a C plus level drink, which is like a little above average. I'd probably even bump it down to a C, even though the flavor is like, this is probably one of the best flavored energy drinks I've ever had. If it doesn't have the juice, it's like the chemicals, then like I don't know, like I just what's the use case? Like what am I doing here? So I'd probably put it in a C, like right in the middle of the road. It's carried by the flavor, but without any of the chemicals, it's just it's not right for me. So I'll give it a C. But it does taste excellent. So if you're really more of like a flavor first person, then this is like top tier. This is insanely good. So anyway, thanks guys. Bye.